everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. JP Morgan Chase & Co. is inviting applications for the job post of software engineers. If you want to know more, then please do watch till the end of the video. JP Morgan is an American multinational investment bank and financial services holding company headquartered in New York City. JP Morgan Chase is ranked by S&P Global as the largest bank in the United States and the 7th largest bank in the world by total assets, with total asset of US dollar 2.687 trillion. Now, what are their job requirements? So, as a member of their software engineering group, they look first and foremost for people who are passionate about solving business problems through innovation and engineering practices. Also, one will be required to apply their depth of knowledge and expertise to all aspects of software development lifecycle, as well as partner continuously with their many stakeholders on a daily basis to stay focused on common goals. Moreover, they embrace a culture of experimentation and constantly strive for improvement and learning. One will work in a collaborative, trusting, thought-provoking environment, one that encourages diversity of thought and creative solutions that are in the best interests of their customers globally. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for this particular post? The role requires a wide variety of strengths and capabilities, including firstly, BA's or BA degree or equivalent experience. Next, advanced knowledge of application, data and infrastructure architecture disciplines. Next, understanding of architecture and design across all systems. Then, working proficiency in developmental tool sets. Next, have a knowledge of industry-wide technology trends and best practices. Ability to work in large collaborative teams to achieve organizational goals. Next, passionate about building an innovative culture. Proficiency in one or more modern programming languages. Lastly, understanding of software skills such as business analysis, development, maintenance, and software improvement. Now, how to apply? I'll be sharing a link of an article in the description box below. Click on that link and check out the article, and in that link or in that article, you will find the link to apply. Also, that's all for today. If you liked our video, then please do let us know by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. Also in the description box, you will find our handles of Instagram and Facebook. Please do follow us there and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.